Shit. All right. It's been a while since we had some car content. We're going to put we're going to put a trailer wiring harness on the Jeep. This is a Curt custom wiring harness 55382 for my 03 Jeep Liberty. I'm in the car because with the wind it's a little cold out, but snow's melting, so that's good. Got this from Amazon. It was supposed to be open box, no box, and this is what it came in. So I'm gonna open it up, see what we got. So it says S1 goes behind the driver's side tail light, S2 behind the passenger side tail light. Yellow wire between the separated connectors. We'll figure out what that means now. Hope I don't die. Still some ice. Pop the hood. It's positive. And remove the negative one. Got a 10. So you got a T20 Torx bit here. Down here. Put them in the whole saw bit so we don't lose them. So as you can see, this tab right here, it was closed. So I just pulled back with the needle nose, just pulled it out. And I should be able to just wiggle this out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Got it connected to the tail light, barely, and then connected the old connector to this other connector, and it's going down through the bumper underneath. This is going to be, I believe, the trailer hookup right there. And then this green line, I believe, goes all the way under, all the way up through the other side. So I use this little stick to just pull it up through the bottom. And I'm going to connect it to this tail light now. This one went on perfect. And then this guy will plug into this. So now we're gonna drill a 332 pilot hole right here for the ground. I don't know if it's the best spot, but that's where it's gonna go. Got the hole drilled. Got the self-tapper ready with the ground. I'm just gonna hit it with the drill bit. Can't do it with one hand. tighten that up. So right now I'm just gonna put the battery back on. I want to make sure that this kit is actually gonna leave the lights on. Had a problem with one of the connectors. I don't know if it's bent or just doesn't work. So I'm gonna start the car up and put something on the brake to see if the tail lights go on.
Yeah.